Hey, what's up, guys? This is Pastor Canal again. We're coming up with another video, bro. Guys, I haven't done a video for 6 months. 6 months ago, I posted one last video, and now we're getting back again. I got pretty busy with work and a lot of different things that happen in my life, man. But anyway, so we're going back, and today we're gonna be doing a C sharp programming. All right, so I already got my file. It's called hello.c, and let's start. Okay, we're going to do our include right here, and then we're going to be using the header file uh, stdio.h, which is right there. We close that, which is going to give us the functions, the printf and also scanf, just to get the output and just to get the user's input. Okay, alrighty, so let's go right here. We're going to do our integer. We're going to do our main function right here where all the code is going to be executed inside. So now we're going to do the following. Let's do printf just to get some input for the console to output to the console, and then right here we're going to end with semicolon, and then we're going to say welcome to C programming. This is a capital programming. Okay, so we got it, we got it. Now we're going to do, let's get some user input. Is that okay? Yeah, let's just do that. Let's just do print. Let's go back. Let's just do print. Actually, let's just do our new line right here, and then we're going to do printf function right here, and inside right here we're going to enter the first number, and also we're going to go to the new line right here. Okay, in the semicolon, and then we're going to get the user input, right? So we're going to do scan f, and then we're going to do here, we're going to do percentage for the decimals. We're going to do d, we're going to do comma, and actually we gotta add some variables right here. We're going to do some integers, so we're going to do a first num, comma, we're going to do second num, uh, comma, and then we're going to do a sum last, and then semicolon, and now right here we're going to do an amp, and then we're going to do first num, and then yeah, it's too much. We're going to finish with the semicolon right here. Not with that semicolon, and then right here we're going to copy in this two lines of code right here. Let's copy that and let's paste it down so we can save some time, and then we're going to do enter a second number, and then right here we're going to change s right here. Okay, and right here we're going to use those variables name right here just to do our addition right here. So okay, we're going to do the variable sum, which is going to be a total equals to what is it, f num plus a second number, and a semicolon, and then we're going to say the following right here, print. We're going to get the output printed in the console with those results, and then we're going to say the following, you lucky number, oh man, is, and then we're going to do percentage d, and then oh yeah, we don't want this inside, somehow it just came inside, it's gotta go in the outside of parentheses, and then we're going to do comma after comma right here, and then we're going to do sum, the sum of those numbers. All right, let's save it, and now let's run the program right here, run the code, and that should give us, okay, let's see. Okay, what we got? We got print your lucky number. What happened? Let's see. What, something's going on, bro. Something is going on. Let's see. What do we have? Actually, this one, I don't think it matters. Let's just move that. Let's move that back to maybe right here. I think it doesn't matter. Let's take a look at our program right here. Uh, oh, printf. So that's what happened, man. That's what it is. Scanf, printf. So we got parentheses at the end. Oh yeah, we're missing our return. That's what it is. Return, yeah, return 0 to get a successful um, answers right here. Let's save it. Okay, and now issue. This is just so confusing. Let me just clear this up right here in the console. Let's just do clear. Okay, now let's just run the program. And now, yeah, and now we get the same thing, bro. Same thing. Let's take a look. Welcome to C programming. Okay, which is good. Then we got our variables. It looks like it doesn't like. Oh, what is that? Oh yeah, we're missing right here, man. That's my problem right here. So it just told me right here. I saw this before, and somehow I just ignored that. Let's just do clear again, and then yeah, that should work this time. Run the program. And issue, yeah, welcome to C programming. All right, so what's the numbers? What is my first number? Let's just do 12 is my lucky number, or the first number. What is the second number? Let's just do another 12. So my lucky number is 24, bro. So yeah, we have a little bit of a problem, a challenge, but that's what it is, bro. Programming, that's what it is. You always gotta go through and check your work, check your programming, check your code, check everything else what needs to be done. You gotta debug it. But anyway, so we did this short programming right here in C programming. This is our first video in C programming. Yep, so I never programmed it in C programming before, but I usually did it in C++ before, and also in C sharp. By the way, so hopefully this video it's just simple, basic, hopefully kind of help you. Alrighty guys, have a good night, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We're growing slowly but steady. Okay, bye.